Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. Disabling your active status gives you more privacy and control over who can see when you are online. So, let's get started on how to turn off active status on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, find the message and story replies option. Once you find it, tap on it. Tap on the show activity status option. Finally, tap on the toggle switch next to show activity status option and turn it off. And this is how you can turn off active status on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.